Hello, my name is Britt Wirbel. I'm a product manager at Karcher. Today I will present you our new T-Eco-Efficiency range of dry vacuum cleaners. Thanks to optimized streaming technology, the T-Eco-Efficiency range offers nearly the same cleaning performance as a standard version, but with 40% less energy consumption. So compared to a standard vacuum cleaner, an eco-efficiency device saves up to 60 euros per year. According to TÜV Süd, all Karcher T-Eco-Efficiency devices saves a total of 850,000 tons of CO2 emissions over their lifespans. This is equivalent to 500,000 flights from London to New York. These impressive figures prove how much energy and emissions you can save with Karcher eco-efficiency devices. The T-Eco-Efficiency range has a very low noise level. It can be used at any time of the day, even in noise-sensitive environments. The easy do-it-yourself replacement of the pluggable power cord is a great benefit to the customer. The cleaning intervals need only be interrupted for a short time, no high service costs. Let's have a closer look to the T10 and T15 eco-efficiency. The 10/1 eco-efficiency is a vacuum cleaner that has been especially developed for the BC business. The yellow mains plug can easily be identified. The park position for the flow nozzle is integrated into the container. The anti-static elbow reduces electrostatic discharges between user and device. The ergonomic shape of the elbow allows a non-tiring work. The removable power cord can be stored on top of the vacuum. An ergonomically designed handle and the telescopic suction pipe allow easy and convenient transportation. The eco-efficiency range comes with a reinforced permanent filter basket. Therefore, it's also possible to vacuum without a filter bag. The foot switch on the front of the machine is easy to reach. The accessories are safely stored at the back of the machine and can be used anytime when needed. The T-Eco-Efficiency range gives you three main features: 40% less energy consumption than a standard vacuum cleaner, a pluggable power cord, and a low noise level. Saving energy was never so easy.